friends, so make your way down to the ground. Feel free to sit up on a blanket just to create some space and support in our body. Let's take a moment to rock our pelvis forward, loop our shoulders up and down, and tuck in our chin slightly. So for this movement, we're really going to want to maintain that length in our back body and to try to keep our back as still and stable as possible. Next, grab a yoga block or a thick book. Find one that is hardcover and roughly the same size as your yoga block, just because we do not want our hands to be too narrow or too wide for this exercise. Okay, so place your item between your hands and extend your arms out in front of you. Arms are roughly in line with our shoulders here, fingertips away from the block or book. Press into that item. So as we go through this movement, we're gonna isolate where the movement is taking place. We're gonna try our best to isolate it to just our shoulder blades moving. Okay, so let's just give it a try. So move your shoulders up towards your ear, like you're shrugging your shoulders, back, down, and forward like you're giving someone a present. So remember to press into that block and breathe. Up, back, down, forward. One more time. Up, back, down, and forward. Awesome. Take a little bit of a break. Shake it off. And let's just do it again. So extend your arms out in front of you, and this time you're gripping or almost as if you're like pulling apart that item, so the block or the book, but obviously don't do that. And let's begin. Shrugging your shoulders up towards our ears, back, down, forward. 2 more times. Up, back, down, forward, and one more. Up, back, down, forward. Awesome. Release. Repeat this video often. See if you notice any differences with your shoulder blades as well as your posture. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. Bye for now.